Just found out I'm gonna be living at the hotel for the next 2 months. And that brings me back to the question I be asking in all my videos, man. How do we get here? There's a saying, the river never argues with the rock. It simple finds a way around it. You just gotta find your way, man. Stop arguing what's going on. Stop arguing what's not right. Find your way. Find your way, man. If you got yourself here, you could get yourself somewhere else. You feel me? That's where it's at, man. I got myself here and I'm gonna get myself somewhere else. I believe that. I get up every day and I think about that shit.
Never girl named Kayla, pretty and nice. Breasts well stiff like the ticky pan night.
I would have never thought a year ago, fast forward to now, I'll be living in a hotel. Honestly, I'm tired of this shit, man. But it's all work related, though, you know. I don't know how they got me out here for 2 months. I thought it was a week, and I thought it was a month. Now it's gonna be 2 months. So we are here in Tampa for the next 2 months, man. Living in a hotel. It's been chill so far, you know. Been chill so far. I ain't been going around much, doing much, you know. I just go to work, the training stuff, come back to the hotel and just pretty much chill, man. I bought a couple books today, though. I went to this spot in Tampa called Books Rescuer. Look it up. They do they take books as donations. Like they have so many books, like 3 miles worth of books in the store. 3 miles. And everything's like $1. They have discounts every day, like teachers discount, military discounts, everything outside the state, travelers discount. So I bought like 4 books of $10 here. Not even 4, 5. So you see right here, 1, meeting people and making friends. 2, you already know, if you know Brian Tracy, you know this is a legend. This alone probably should have been like $10. All for 5 of these books I paid $10. Pick this up too, I like this one. I'll dive into it soon. What seems good, like way to get you to look at better things. You all know this, Atomic Habits. Everybody know that one. How to talk to anyone, you know, communication is the best thing, man. Communication is the best thing you could learn. So you want to make sure you're learning how to communicate better. I look forward to reading this one for sure. Brian Tracy, I always love Brian Tracy, man. Him and Jim Rohn is like my favorite mentors. And I know I'm been looking rough, guys. I'm trying to let my hair grow back. Cause these barbers, man, since I've been on this move and stuff, I can't get a quality barber to get my shit right, because I usually go to the barber shop like every other week. So if I go this week, I'll miss next week, and I'll go the other week. So that's how I've been doing it for the past couple of years. Never miss a beat, always staying sharp. Well, since I've been on the traveling shit, they've been fucking my shit up, you know? So I ain't trying to look old before my time, you feel me? So we gonna go through that little rough stage. I think it's probably like a week and a half now, so I'm gonna try to bring at least, let this shit grow in for at least a month. So if y'all see me looking rough, man, just bear with me for a little bit, you feel me? Bear with me for a little bit, man. Let me give y'all a little tour. Let me give y'all a little tour of the hotel. It's all a mess right now. Yeah, but we chilling. You know, got a laptop right there. Got the books right here. You know, been reading the books this morning. As you see, Atomic Habits, man. TV, got my clothes. Don't mind me. Everything look like a mess right now, but you know, I ain't gonna show too much there. Bathroom, all that. Yeah, man, looking rough, but I'll make it work. Growing this shit back. Oh yeah, if you're just tuning in, man. It's your boy MindFitG. Talk about all things discipline and just chasing your dreams, chasing your goals. 7 months ago, I gave up everything, moved out of state, and I've been on the road ever since, man. Just trying to settle, trying to figure it out, trying to get it back together, trying to build again. So follow the journey, man. If you're on your journey, make sure you keep going and keep growing, man. So make sure you like this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Stay locked there.